Hello everybody and welcome to another presentation by Tax 50. This time we'll be talking about working from home. So if you have recently begun working from home, here are some ways to stay upbeat and happy and to continue with your great work. Firstly, you need to follow your standard routine, which means waking up at the same times as you usually would for work and taking regular breaks and lunch. Number 2, what you need to do is set up a space that you only use for work. This will help you for a change of scenery and in order to help you concentrate. The third thing you should be doing is using video calls to catch up with and to keep in touch with family, friends and colleagues. This will make you feel connected, motivated and also collaborative. Number 4 on the list is to make sure you use task management software to track your team's progress and remain on schedule. Number 5. Do not strain yourself by staying in the same position for long periods. Take a 3-minute break every 30 minutes or so. Number 6. What you need to do is make sure you get regular exercise of at least 30 minutes every day, ideally outdoors if possible, for example in your garden. Number 7. Find out what helps you to concentrate. Music and ambient sounds are popular choices. And finally, look after your mental health by staying in touch with others and maintaining a varied lifestyle. With these in mind, you should be producing great work from home in no time. Thank you. Thank you for your time. It is genuinely appreciated. Please consider subscribing to the Tax 50 YouTube channel for regular advice and guidance. Please also like and share this presentation with somebody who you think may find it useful. Thank you very much.